Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a video showing you another niche that I found in the back to school niche. It's a sub niche. The phrase is right here, game over, back to school. I saw this morning that this t-shirt was starting to trend. You're going to see that there's only 758 results, so we're under the 1,000 benchmark that I like. And we're going to see that some of these listings already have BSR. So this one's at a really low 66. This one's at 517,000, and this niche could be a good opportunity for us because, like I've been saying in the past few videos, the back to school niche is already starting to sell, and it's just going to continue to get better as we go through August. So here are what some of the designs look like. A lot of them are using game controllers with sunsets or rainbow text, things like that. When we go to test to see if this is a safe niche, to see if this phrase is trademarked, we type in game over back to school, we hit enter, and we'll see that nothing pops up. So we're good to go there. When we take a look at the competition on some of the other sites, I think there might be a little better opportunity on like Etsy. Probably that's where I saw the lowest competition. But here you're going to see only 594 results, so really low. Redbubble, a little higher. I think there was like 6,000, yeah, so close to 7,000 results. So kind of a more competition than the other two sites that we just looked at. Here, if you go on Redbubble, I would probably recommend doing something besides a t-shirt. I would probably do like a notebook, maybe a backpack or a sticker. Everybody's going to be doing the t-shirt. And if you do decide to go with a t-shirt, make sure that you have the kids enabled so that the customer can purchase that. And when we go to TeePublic, let's take a look at what we have here. So just kind of like a lot of, looks like kind of Pac-Man style, retro. So I don't see any with the sunset, so that might be a good opportunity to be one of the first using the this phrase with the sunset design. Pretty good amount of competition, but this could be a good niche for us to get into to make some money on merch and some of the other POD sites because it's in the back to school niche, and it's a cross niche with back to school and video games. And if you've been on merch for a while, you'll know that anything to do with video games tends to sell very well. Just make sure that when you do upload your designs on merch that you have the actual youth option selected so that kids can purchase this. And if you go to Vexels, you'll be able to see that I typed in video game controller, and here you're going to see a bunch of graphics or controllers that you can get to make your design. So this one looks pretty good. There's a couple here that will work. If you want, I have an affiliate link for that in the description. So if you need a place to find graphics, designs, clip art, things like that, you can sign up to Vexels. And yeah, so that's basically it. That's the niche for today, back to school niche. And the phrase is game over, back to school. All right, so if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Check out the affiliate links in the description. And I'll put a video up here for the video that I just did yesterday. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.